Hi, I'm Robert Henry with Keller Williams Realty. Today we're going to talk about our financial goals and how it relates to our listing inventory. Here's what I mean. Typically for the real estate agent, they'll see their income cycle throughout the year, kind of a roller coaster in terms of their monthly income. So what we want to do in order to level out and have a more consistent income throughout the year is make sure we have an inventory of listings. That way we can ensure that we have a number of closings every month. So the first thing that we're going to do is use our financial calculator to determine what our yearly financial goal is and then what that means in terms of the number of listings we need to carry. And there's some useful things that we can get out of looking at this financial calculator. So the first thing that we'll do is determine what our financial goal is for a 12-month period. So in this case, we'll put $100,000. And the next thing that we need to do, every market is different, so we need to put in what our average price home is. So in this case, let's put $170,000. Also, you'll need to put what percentage of your commission that you keep. Now with Keller Williams, we happen to have a 70% commission split. In other words, the broker keeps 30% and we keep 70%. For some brokerages, the broker keeps 50%, and so our net income would be 50%. Then it comes to average days on market. Here in the Spokane market, it's 143 days, and what percentage of your listings sell. This is going to be unique to each individual agent. However, if we take the association as a whole and we look at the percentage of listings that actually sell, we'll put 50%. That leads us to this number here highlighted in yellow. We need 34 listings in our inventory to meet our financial goals. Now here's the thing to take a look at. A lot of people feel like they don't have enough time for educational classes or training or coaching. Let's take a look at a couple of things. What if in your training and in your education you were able to talk to your clients about pricing their home in the market? In other words, when you look at today's MLS, the Spokane MLS, nearly 90% of listings are overpriced. The challenge with that is that until those homeowners come down into the market where homes are actually selling, which, oh, by the way, is only a 3 to 4% margin, until they get to that point, the home just sits on the market and languishes for 6, 9, 12 months. So if you're able to, through your education and understanding of the market, consult with your clients and get them to price in the market, what if you could change your average days on market from 143 to 75? Notice what that does in terms of number of listings needed to meet your financial goal. It drops from 34 to 18. Additionally, if through your training and your education you're able to develop a system for reliably communicating with your seller and informing them of a changing market, if you're able to change your percentage of listings sold from 50% to say 75%, take a look at the number of listings that you'll need to maintain in your inventory. It goes from 18 to 12. Additionally, if, for example, you're in a brokerage that charges 50%, in other words, it's a 50-50 commission split. If, for example, in Keller Williams, our agents keep 70%, now look at the number of listings in your inventory that you'll need. It drops to 8. These are significant numbers to know, and it's important to highlight. The whole purpose of this video is really to highlight the importance of continuing your education and your training as well as your coaching in a very competitive market, and we're also happen to be in a declining market. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope you found that information useful.